To allow or deny apps to access your document library in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings. Select Privacy, and then scroll down Privacy screen, find Documents, and then tap Documents. On Allow apps to access your documents library, tap Switch until on to allow or tap Switch until off to deny. If you allow access, you can choose which apps can access your documents library by using the settings on this page. If you deny access, apps that are available in the Microsoft Store on Windows 10 will be blocked from accessing your documents library. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.